Choosing the right forex broker can seriously affect your trading results. Today we're comparing two very different brokers, Invidiatrade and Oanda. One is a traditional global broker known for regulation and stability. The other is a newer modern broker focused on fast execution, flexibility and trader-friendly conditions. We'll compare platforms, spreads, leverage, execution, deposits, instruments and user experience, and finally which broker is actually better in 2026. Quick disclaimer, all information here is not financial advice. It must be used for educational purposes only. So we have firstly Oanda, which has been around since 1996. It's one of the oldest names in retail forex, FCA regulated in the UK here with multiple industry awards in 2025 and 2026, included most trusted broker and best mobile app, a serious established brand. And then we have Invidiatrade, which is the new player, registered in St. Lucia with FSCA regulation through the South African entity. It's built around MT5, it's competitive spreads, leverage of up to 1 to 500 and a growing community of active traders. A different proposition entirely. So we've got different generations, different strengths. Let's get into the detail. If trading feels confusing and inconsistent, maybe you just need a clearer direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without unnecessary noise. Here's what you can expect. Carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry, take profit and stop loss levels, straight to the point market insights, signals built around discipline and risk control. No exaggeration, no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on analysis. Even better, they provide a 7-day free trial so you can evaluate the signals yourself before making any decision. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with the plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's continue with the video. So platform-wise, Oanda actually gives you a lot of choice. You've got MT4, MT5, Trading View, you've got Oanda Mobile, Oanda Web, which is great. That's a strong offering. The Trading View integration in particular is a big deal. Over 100 indicators. We'll pop on it right here. We've got over 100 indicators, chart intervals down to 5 seconds, which is pretty exceptional. And then we go to Invidiatrade, and that goes all in on MT5, desktop, web trader and mobile. And MT5 is the right call. It really is the right call. It's faster, has better multi-chart support, full EA and automation capability, and it's what serious active traders are using in 2026. And we'll come here, we'll go back to Oanda. So I would say that Oanda wins on variety. Invidiatrade wins on focus, one platform. So we've got Oanda, MT4, MT5, Trading View, Oanda Web and mobile, strong variety, award-winning mobile app. And then we've got Invidiatrade, MT5 only, desktop, web trader and mobile, focused, fast, built for active trading. So Invidiatrade for MT5, focus and active trader performance, and then we will go to Oanda for platform choice. So now we move on to like spreads and commissions, and this is where Invidiatrade gets interesting. Their ECN account right here starts from 0.8 pips with a commission of $8 to $10 per lot. Their no commission account starts from 1.2 pips with 0 commission a trade. As you can see, this is all right here. Oanda advertises competitive spreads but doesn't lead with specific pip figures in the same way. They're known as a reliable spread environment, particularly for retail traders. So we click on here and then we can see all of the spreads down here. So if we just click on currency, and that will just pop up there. So if you look there for high frequency trading and scalping, the granular cost control Invidiatrade offers is a real advantage. advantage. Oanda advertises competitive spreads, but doesn't lead with specific figures in the same way. They're known as a reliable spread environment, particular for retail traders. But for high frequency trading and scalping, that granular cost control Invidiatrade offers is a real advantage. And we pop back over to Oanda, and then we can see all of their spreads and their margins right here, and just pop on a currency and it shows you the spreads and the margins all down here. So Oanda, we've got competitive spreads across a wide range of instruments, reliable but less granular cost control. And with Invidiatrade, got an ECM from 0.8 pips, $8, $10 a lot, no commission account from 1.2 pips, $0 lot, transparent, flexible pricing. This one has an important caveat. Oanda is FCA regulated in the UK, which means retail clients are capped at 1 to 30 on major forex pairs under UK rules. That's the regulatory standard, and it's there for a reason. Invidiatrade, operating under St. Lucia registration, offers up to 1 to 500 leverage across all account types, mini ECN, VIP, and no commission. That's a significant difference for traders who understand risk management and want the capital efficiency. Higher leverage is a tool, not a guarantee, but the flexibility is there if you want. So Invidiatrade up to 1 to 500 across all account types, maximum flexibility for experienced, risk-aware traders. Oanda, FCA regulated, retail leverage capped at 1 to 30 on major pairs under UK rules, safe for beginners. So when it comes to execution speed, it seems that Nvidia specifically highlights reliable execution infrastructure as one of their core selling points, and traders in their reviews consistently mention no slippage and smooth performance even across forex, gold, crypto, and indices simultaneously. And then when we look at Oanda's execution, is well proven over 30 years, stable and reliable. Sometimes the execution can feel slower during high volatility. It's not always for ultra fast entries and exits. So now if we go back over to Nvidia, we will see the execution infrastructure as a core focus. There's no slippage reported by users, built for speed across multiple asset classes. We go back to Oanda and we know it's got 30 years of proven reliable execution, stable infrastructure, slightly less optimized for ultra fast trading. And then we go on to deposits and withdrawals, and on Invidiatrade accepts debit and credit card, bank transfer, and crypto deposits, which is a genuinely modern funding setup, particularly useful for traders who want to fund quickly or use digital assets. And then you've got Oanda's banking infrastructure is solid and trusted, as you'd expect from an FCA regulated broker, but payment method availability can vary by region and withdrawals can take longer, but you get no withdrawal fees right here, and you can top up with credit and debit card. So Oanda is secure, FCA regulated, banking reliable but slow withdrawals, region dependent payment options. And Invidiatrade, you got cards, bank transfer, and crypto, fast funding, flexible options, consistently positive withdrawal feedback. So then when it comes to instruments, Oanda actually goes quite broad here. You got forex, indices, commodities, metals, bonds, and they've recently added share CFDs and ETF CFDs through MT5 and TradingView. That's genuinely wide universe for a CFD broker. As you can see, all of these instruments showing up right here. You've got your indices, ETFs, share ETFs right there, and you also have your forex, your indices, metals, everything just here. Now on Invidiatrade covers forex, crypto, metals, indices, stocks, and commodities. Over 200 pairs on the ECN account. No bonds or ETF CFDs, but the coverage for active forex and multi-asset traders is solid. So Oanda has the edge on depth, Nvidia has the edge on crypto access. Forex, share CFDs on Oanda, ETF CFDs, indices, commodities, metals, bonds, broadest instrument range on Oanda. And then on Nvidia, you've got forex, crypto, metals, indices, stocks, commodities, and 200 plus pairs on ECN, strong crypto access. So with regulation and trust, Oanda is FCA regulated in the UK. That's the gold standard for UK based traders. Founded in 1996, voted most trusted broker in 2025 and 2026. It's rated excellent on Trustpilot. The track record is unquestionable. Invidiatrade is a newer broker and it's registered in St. Lucia and regulated through their FS SCA via its South African entity. That's a lighter regulatory framework than the FCA, which is a fair point to raise. What they do well is transparency, no hidden fees, negative balance protection, and a growing base of positive trader reviews mentioning reliable withdrawals and genuine support. For UK traders specifically, regulation matters. It's not a deal breaker, but it's a factor worth knowing. So, which broker in 2026? Oanda is the safe pair of hands. FCA regulated, 30 years of history, award-winning platform, great for beginners, TradingView integration, and the widest instrument range. If regulation and brand reputation are your priority, Oanda is hard to argue with. If regulation and brand reputation are your priority, Oanda is hard to argue with. Invidiatrade is built for the active trader. MT5, leverage up to 1 to 500, ECN spreads from 0.8 pips, no commission account option, crypto funding, fast execution, and a transparent cost structure. If you know what you're doing and you want conditions that match the way modern traders actually operate, Invidiatrade delivers that. 2 different brokers for 2 different traders. Know which one you are. So which broker do you personally prefer? Oanda or Invidiatrade? Drop your opinion in the comments below. And if you want more broker comparisons, platform reviews, and forex content, like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.